Hello. Today we're going to talk about sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is not like a normal snoring. It causes periods of silence where the breath has stopped completely. It is often followed by a gasp or a choking sound. Snoring happens when the throat, therefore we're talking also about the throat chakra, um, which this chakra is the energy center of all that is about communication and expression. When it is in balance, we communicate clearly our needs, our feelings, our creativity, our boundaries, while also we're able to listen compassionately. When our short throat chakra is out of balance, is when we're not expressing ourselves at all, or when we talk too much, often without saying anything or feeling heard. So, in order to get to a root cause of the sleep apnea, we need to work on the throat chakra as well as explore where you often felt suppressed in your family who demanded too much of you. We need to explore your relationship with your mother. It may have run hot and cold, leaving you in a cup that is always half full. Also, we need to explore if the relations and the attentions of love received leave you confused and uncertain about your self-worth, as well as wherein with whom do you keep yourself small, since it provides safety and gets you out of harm's way. Additionally, we need to also explore feelings of guilt, shame, personal boundaries. Are you maintaining them, or are they being trampled over? We need to explore safety. Do you feel safe? Do you feel secure? Security. Trauma. Have you experienced trauma? Wherein with whom? Self-sabotage, abandonment, rejection, loneliness, and other feelings. So we need to work on this so that they are made neutral to you. And as you can see, we need to work in more than just the physical body. We need to work on the physical, mental, energetic, spiritual. And that way, the sleep apnea will, will lessen or go away. And with that, have a great day. Bye-bye.